This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Carol Cattle. Stunning 2016 Northwest Contemporary 2-story on Apex. 1.84 level, fenced acres right in Bellingham. Light-filled, open floor plan west / incredible wide plank quarter sawn oak floors. 2 master suites and 2 laundry areas, 1 on each floor. Luxurious finishes such as quartz and limestone and incredible attention to detail. 4 beds, office, playroom plus bonus. Beautifully designed kitchen west / high quality stainless steel appliances and a full refrigerator and freezer. Butler's pantry plus spacious storage pantry. 3-car garage with 2 entrances. Hot tub stays. Bring your chickens and property is fenced in cedar west / fenced areas for goats or dog run. 3-car garage, parking for boat / RV and additional shed and goat barn. Desirable Wade King schools and close to Lake Padden, trails, everything. For more information.